Okay, so for this very simple meal, I am using this season mix with extra pepper I put in, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of ground beef, so we're going to place that in, onion powder, chia seeds, this helps fill you up, and now I will cook the beef. Once the beef is cooked, I will add 3 eggs. So it cost me $3 for 1 pound of beef, and this is barely any of that 1 pound. It's just a little bit of the 1 pound. In another video, I showed, so this is all from the one, so this is the 1 pound that I get. So you can see how thick it is, and then I break it up into smaller portions. So all of this, there's tons of these mini bags, tons of these that I'll use, and just like these mini bags, this is from one of those mini bags. So I can get a ton of usage, ton of meals from $3. And 18 eggs cost me $3.60. So if I'm using three of the 18 eggs, you can do the math there. So I will then break it up until it's cooked. You don't want anything to burn, so make sure you have it probably around low, between low and 3, and just watch the temp. Sometimes I will break up a bagel, so just 1/2 of a bagel. In fact, for this video, I'll actually do that and show you. So this is what that looks like, and I'll mix it. This will absorb some of the liquid, some of the flavor. I do it with sliced bread as well, but yeah, this was just 1/2 of a bagel, just one piece. When I put the eggs in, I will do some cheese. Any cheese works, no cheese, whatever. So the 3 eggs are in and the cheese is in. I will now mix it up. Keep in mind, this whole meal, even the seasoning, everything combined is under $5. I think it's closer to, normally, I did the math before, it's anywhere from $1.50 to $5 a meal. This is actually on the lower end. I think it's going to be around $3.50, give or take. Now this is how it looks with the egg and the cheese and everything mixed up. Now I'm going to turn up the stove a little bit more and let this cook because I don't like it runny. And we are done. This is my breakfast and my lunch. So, and I normally wait until anywhere from 11 to 12 o'clock to eat. That way, I don't eat until dinner time when my when my wife gets home. So, yeah, it's something simple, easy. Sometimes I add the bagel. Sometimes I add a slice of bread. Sometimes I add the meat, sometimes I don't. Same with the bread, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just do some seasoning, eggs, and that's it. Sometimes I do seasoning, eggs, and cheese. Sometimes turkey, sometimes chicken, sometimes peppers. And you just kind of mix the same concept up over and over. If you want your bread to be more hard and you don't want it as soggy, well then you just heat it longer until the bread gets some of the moisture out. You just play with it and it's delicious, it's filling,